Welcome back to my backyard snack yard. This year I've been growing a bunch of little munchkin pumpkins in a barrel. And it is time to collect them because they are definitely ready. And I want to use one of them for a little decoration because we're going to go out tomorrow and I thought I'd bring one with me. They're so cute. I love this white one too. I think it's called a ghost one. So sweet. But let's bring one inside and get some flowers and get stuffing. I'll just scoop all the insides out. There'll be loads of seeds for sowing next year. In the end we found quite a bit of colour. I really especially love this Virginia creeper. It's so gorgeous. We stuffed it all into that very small pumpkin. I had some extra tiny sunflowers there which haven't even bloomed yet. And they're smaller than the calendula, which is really quite funny. The physalis are looking beautiful too. And there's a few chilies there as well, which looked very sort of Halloween-y with their orange colours there. I hope it holds together until we give it away tomorrow. I'll have to find a way to transport it and everything. I actually secured the top of that pumpkin with a toothpick so it could hold on like that. So yeah, we'll see how well it holds up tomorrow. But it was lots of fun doing, and especially finding all the colour in the garden, which actually surprised me at this time of year. Everything is really finishing up for the year, so it's nice to find all the last bits of beautiful colour. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.